Multiplication of rational algebraic expressions. A over B times C over D is equals to A times C, AC, B times D is BD. Example number 1, x squared plus 2x plus 1 over y squared minus 2y plus 1 times y squared minus 1 over x squared minus 1. Kukunin natin yung mga factor ng mga expressions. So, x squared is x. Ano yung factor ng positive 1 na kapag i-add ay positive 2? So, factor ng positive 1 is positive 1 and positive 1. Kapag i-add natin ang positive 1 ay positive 2. Sunod, y. Anong factor ng positive 1 na kapag i-add ay negative 2? So, yan ay negative 1 and negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. And negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. So, dito naman, ito ay difference of 2 squares. So, pag difference of 2 squares, yan ay y. Yung isa ay positive, yung isa ay negative. And then, yung 1, square root of 1 is 1. Sa baba naman, so difference of 2 squares pa rin. So, x, isang positive, saka isang negative, then yung square root ng 1, which is 1. Yan. And then, cancel out tayo. Y minus 1, then yung y minus 1 sa taas. And x plus 1, cancel natin sa x plus 1. So, ang matira equals x plus 1 times y plus 1 over y minus 1 times x minus 1. So, pwede na itong answer, pero pwede rin gamitan natin ng FOIL method. X times y is xy. Then, x times 1 is positive x. And 1 times y is positive y. And 1 times 1 is positive 1. Then, y times x is xy. Y times negative 1 is negative y. Negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So, pwedeng itong answer, pwede rin ito ang answer. That is OR.